Welcome back to Everyday English Lessons.
Today, we are practicing simple English questions and answers.
Perfect for beginners.
Let's start our conversation.
Ready?
Really? What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Milan.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work at a hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. You?
I have two brothers. What's your favorite color?
Mine is blue.
What languages can you speak?
I speak Japanese and English. You?
I speak French and a little Spanish.
Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I love learning. Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Do you like tea?
Yes, I drink green tea. What is your favorite day?
Friday. What is your favorite season?
Summer. Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every night. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch dramas.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love classical music. Do you have pets?
No, but I want a dog. Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Are you busy today?
Not really. Are you hungry?
No, I already ate. Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy. Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like English?
Yes, I love English.
Do you like learning with podcasts?
Yes, it helps a lot. Are you ready for more questions?
Yes, let's go.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. Do you cook breakfast?
Yes, every day. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. Do you exercise?
Yes, I run in the park. Do you like going to work?
Yes, I enjoy it. How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, 1 hour. What do you eat for lunch?
Usually rice and chicken. Do you work with many people?
Yes, I have many coworkers.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Sometimes. Do you rest after work?
Yes, I relax. Do you watch movies at night?
Yes, sometimes. Do you read books at night?
Yes, it helps me sleep. Do you take a walk?
Yes, in the evening. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, simple meals. Do you eat with your family?
Yes, every night.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, many times. Do you clean your room?
Yes, once a week.